Today, we're putting in a stereo system. Only problem is, I don't know how to do it. And I'm afraid I'm gonna burn this beauty down. So I bought one of my good buddies in. He knows what the hell he's doing. Let's get a rundown of what he has in store for us. Get this puppy going. So let's go over the parts of what we got today. We have a 6.9 inch, super cheapo, Wu-Tang dash, supposed to do CarPlay, supposed to do all these things. Some channel recommended it, but we're gonna use it today. Seems pretty simple, but again, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, so I can say that. We got an MB quartz, I think it's an 8. Subwoofer's got all the good handy dandies right there. Pigtails, RCA cables, bunch of other crap. Here's the actual bezel. We had to get a custom bezel for it. All our tools laid out. I don't know what any of this means, but my good boy does.
All right, let's take a look at what we have here. Kevin laid everything out for me. And all that's pretty good, but where are the little crimpies? How are we going to connect this to this?
I got them. I got some.
Okay. All right.
I got stuff. If not, we can go to the local O'Reilly's. Shout out to Jason at O'Reilly's. We love you, boy.
So I was in high school. My buddy got a new head unit for Christmas. This was Christmas Day. And he calls me. He's like, Nick, I got to install this thing today. I'm like, bro, it's Christmas. I'm not doing this.
How old were you?
Like 18, maybe 17. And I was like, man, I'm not going to do this today. Anyway, he comes over and he doesn't have anything. We don't have any little crimpies. The store's closed, all this. And I was like, only option is, man, I can just put electric tape around them. Wire it up, electric tape real tight, put it all in there for him. He was good to go. And it worked. It was fine for Christmas Day. 2 days later, he calls me, hey man, what'd you do to my truck? I'm like, what are you talking about? He goes, the whole dash caught on fire up underneath here. Ooh. I was like, I don't know, bro. It's because you wanted it done on Christmas Day and you didn't have any freaking crimpies. I bet the ignition came off and it hit something. Ground it out, sparked it up.
I know you can't ground stuff out. That sucks.
He was driving down the road and the smoke just like came in his face. It was pretty low.
Oh, I bet that sucker got hot.
Yep.
So I used to have an electric fan. I used to have an electric fan on a switch, and that actually caught on fire on one of my headphones.
Like a poor man's AC?
It was like an electric fan for my radiator.
Oh, okay.
And so I would get in it and I would turn it on. Well, I didn't have a relay running to it, so that switch just like, it was like a 15 amp. No, it eventually caught on fire. So like I'm going down the Beltway.
Well, I caught it. We are older and we are smarter now, so hopefully that doesn't happen.
Relays exist. All right, look, I got all this crap. So here we go.
Okay, dude, we're not wiring our house. You can put them, you can put those away.
I thought for like big stuff. I don't know. We got this little compartment.
Okay. Yeah, we can make this work. All right. First things first, we got to get under here and take this old ashtray out because the wiring harness is tucked right behind it and there's no other way to get to it. So that's what we're going to do right now is take this ashtray out. Uh-oh.
Good Lord! Look at the schmegma on that boy. Schmegma.
Don't say smegma. Schmegma. Don't stop saying that.
Come here. So if you can get down here and see, this is the wiring harness way down here. Way down here. That's the wiring harness for the radio, and it was right behind the old ashtray. So we had to take that off to get to it. So we're gonna unclip this guy right here and then go wire up the new wiring harness outside of the truck while I make Kevin take off this panel and run the remote wire. What is smegma? Like grossness? This is some 1988 weirdness right here. I said I was going to use these little crimpy things because they take up a lot of space, but they're awesome, so I used them anyway. All right, let's see which one's next.
What do I know?
The red one. That's important. That's for your ignition.
So the red goes to the red? The red goes to the red.
This time it is,
yeah. Doesn't always go. That's.
I'll tell you what.
I get annoyed with wiring.
Back in the 90s, the colors didn't match.
Really?
Either I wasn't smart enough to figure it out.
Buddies.
It could be either or. I don't know why that truck caught on fire, whatever. Okay, we're at the point now where we got the harness all wired up Got a few danglers left over there that we're not using. We don't have a rear camera. And we obviously don't have any steering wheel functions on this truck, so we're all good there. So we're gonna get down here and wire up this bad boy and see if it makes some music. If memory serves me correctly, this one goes right there. And this little bad boy goes right there.
iPhone's connected to the me phone.
And this one goes right. Come on, dude. Uh-oh. I think it works. We'll see. All right, so then we're gonna take the old head unit, this dude right here. We're not gonna worry about that for this second. We're gonna plug this bad boy in right there. You're kidding. Already? Oh, just to test it. The hard part is running it all the wires. Hey, did a little blink.
Hey, what up, dog?
There we go.
He's good.
Let's
That's
see.
pretty good for a gringo. Antenna.
Plug the old antenna
Totally
in.
gonna get reception here in this freaking metal shop.
All right. We need some bass.
Hello, baby. That's not bad.
$60 and wireless CarPlay is pretty good because usually they have to be wired. But it's working. So now let's get some bass going to it.
All right, we're back from tacos. They were amazing as usual. My boy here, Nick, gonna give us a rundown of what the hell's next.
Yep. All right. It's time to place the speaker. So show me where you want this bad boy at. Oh, you want it under the seat?
Yeah.
You don't want it mounted on the wall like that?
No, it's an underseat.
Oh, it's so much easier to do. I'm excited about it.
Yeah, just right under the seat. That way, like, you know, give
Okay.
you some action.
Give you some jiggle where it counts.
Action.
All right. Well, that makes my job much easier.
So a booty do is when you see a person, typically they're young ladies or chicks.
Oh, is it like what a booty? Hold on. Is it like what a booty do? Like that?
No, it's a little, it's kind of close. So a booty do, so you would use it in a sentence as like
Like a hoopty do?
like check out her booty do. But it's not like meaning really her booty. What it is her belly stick out further than her booty do.
Ooh.
So that's what a booty do is when a girl has a belly and stick out further than her booty. That combination is a booty do.
But what are you just talking about now? You call that a fupa, right?
And that's a muffin top where I come from. So
Front, upper,
so
private
yeah,
area.
booty,
Pelvic.
booty do. So you want to see if these work?
Hey, let's see if this works.
Put this in there.
Let's see if the drill bit is going to be long enough.
Is it sufficient? Oh, much larger than I expected.
Darn. Try again. We're doing pretty good for two mumblers.
That one is not the correct size either.
It turns out my voice is made for YouTube.
I too have a nice, clean, crisp voice, so people can understand me.
All right, guys, we got the speaker, the amp installed behind the seat. Now we're moving up to the front here, and we're going to get the power cable hooked up to the battery and install the fuse. And before we put anything back together, we're gonna make sure this sucker works. Come on, Gimpy, take a look.
Come here, look.
All we're doing is hooking this guy up.
That thingy
That thingy right there,
over there.
to right here. And we have to really pay attention because
They're both
you
black.
got black cables. So we're going to this side right here.
The positive means positive side. Just so y'all know.
That's a dead giveaway. So, all right, we're gonna do that right now. We got it all wired up and tested, working properly. So now we Put this shroud in. Get it permanently mounted. Bezel, there you go. Hopefully I can reach
It's a bezel.
and it is not a good color.
Oh yeah, that's a match. Yeah.
Match is perfect. Whatever.
Okay. There you go.
And you get to keep your AC vents.
There you go.
So now all we have to do, now that we have our handy dandy board in here doing our wrapping everything up, getting the stereo all nice and buttoned up, we just have to do the door cards, which you still got to order, but this should come in pretty quick. Do the graphic on the bottom on that, and then the exhaust, which is going to come out behind the back tire there. Not underneath, but through the actual back bed fender. We're going to see how it sounds. You got it all buttoned up. We got the bass boom here. We're gonna like do a little thing here for this.
Inside.
He can't see it. I know y'all can't see it, but it's inside the
Ashtray.
ashtray. Yeah, because we don't smoke.
Yeah.
Keep them cards close to my chest. All of my circle, one of the best. Cops round me, I'm not talking pets. Talking animals, there's no vets. GP don't know nothing, we're vets. He's on Google, you know how it gets. UK living in London, rents, but out here, yeah, spitting bars on decks. I've got visions, I've got bets. Putting my hours, paid off debts. Also winding like a set, but we got the army, my debts.
So that's gonna be a wrap for today. I think we did everything we needed to do. If it wasn't for Nick, this would have never happened. So I appreciate you, bro.
You're welcome.
Sounds are all good. We already did like a whole recap of everything else we need to do to finish. So God bless y'all. Love y'all. Later.
The mindset is active, tell them please don't tempt me. Yeah, we write it, yeah, we bake it, yeah, it's legendary. Greatness only, yeah, you know this crown is heavy. When the energy is warrior, you're higher than